How to use Chase Refer Business Owner program. Now this program allows you to earn rewards by inviting other business owners to open a qualifying Chase business product. Now in order to do this, you can simply head over to your application of Chase and then simply select one of your accounts within Chase that you have already linked to, that you have already opened, and within the particular account you'd be able to scroll down a bit, and under account services you'd be able to see the option called refer a friend being displayed, which would then provide you a unique link that you would need to share it to other people. So only if you share this link and other people create an account or business account of Chase using that exact link, you would be eligible for the benefits. So you'd be able to receive either a payout within 30 days of them creating an account, or if it is upon receiving credit card payouts, the approved promotional points, cash out points, can also typically appear within your account within 8 weeks. So this is the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.